Whenever we refer to humanity's relationship with nature, I think we manage to inherently skew the two away from each other. Humans are capable of so many amazing feats: love, cooperation, farmers markets. They're always constantly driving forward, just like a train. In our campaign for progression, I believe we forget the everyday things, the places where we come from, which instinctively contrast the very ideals we humans chase afterwards every day. It's the same place we explore, venture, play in, sometimes on happenstance, connect with the piece of ourselves that we're often not able to reach. Unfortunately, due to our constant drive to advance, the relationship we hold with the trees, the birds, and the grasses has been scarred. The damage is done and will continue to grow, fester and roll into a large, much more dangerous beast. But the hopeless schism that can be portrayed need not be the only story we tell. Instead, you can work towards a tomorrow where nature isn't some kind of commodity we take for granted, but rather something much more familiar.
Could you just make a pasta?
Or we could put pasta in the soup, like a chicken noodle.
You're right.
Take time with it,
Like little macaroni
be with it,
True.
and learn to cherish it.
You want to do that?
Be well and stay well.
Yeah,
Good
we
night.
could totally do that.
But
We don't even need to go to the store.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is gonna be great audio. Hey,
12 minutes of
talking about dinner.
what have we been talking about? We've been all over the place.